Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Confluent Cloud for streaming data pipelines, full guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Confluent Cloud website. Create an account or log in using your existing credentials. Once logged in, you will be redirected to the Confluent Cloud dashboard. Select Create Cluster to start setting up your streaming data pipeline. Choose the appropriate cloud provider for your cluster. Select the region that best fits your data residency requirements. Decide on the cluster size based on your expected workload. Click on Create Cluster to initiate the setup process. Wait for the cluster provisioning to complete. Once ready, click on your newly created cluster to access its overview. Locate the Connect tab on the Cluster Overview page. Select the Kafka option to begin configuring your streaming data pipelines. Download the Confluent CLI if you haven't already. Open your terminal and install the Confluent CLI following the provided instructions. Authenticate the Confluent CLI using your Confluent Cloud credentials. Use the available commands to create topics in your Kafka cluster. Now, select Schema Registry to manage your data schemas. If necessary, create a new schema by following the prompts. You can now start producing data into your Kafka topics. Utilize the Confluent Cloud API or connectors for data ingestion from various sources. Configure consumers to read from your Kafka topics as needed. Monitor your cluster's performance through the Confluent Cloud interface. Adjust settings according to your streaming requirements over time. Congratulations, your streaming data pipeline with Confluent Cloud is now activated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.